Hello and welcome to the DIY session on headlamp bulb replacement. Proper functioning of the headlamp is important as it involves clear visibility at night along with safety and expediency. Let's look at steps involved to do it yourself. All you need is a screwdriver and a genuine Benelli headlamp bulb, which is easily accessible at an authorized Benelli service center near you. To start with, remove the screws on the lamp assembly with a screwdriver. Now disconnect the bulb and parking light coupler connectivity and take out the headlamp assembly. Use a soft cloth to place the headlamp assembly to avoid any damage to the headlamp lens. Remove the headlamp boot rubber from the reflector dome by removing 3 screws and push the headlamp locator clip to slide the bulb out from the slot. Now fit the new headlamp bulb by locating the 3 slots provided to fix the bulb. Lock the clip carefully by pushing it into the slot. Fix the rubber boot on the top and tighten 3 screws. Then connect the bulb and parking light coupler and arrange the headlamp casing firmly. Now tighten the screws on both sides. Remember, do not touch the bulb with your fingers to prevent any mishap. Always hold it with gloves or a clean and dry cloth as it may also decrease the bulb life. Now your Benelli is all set to glow in the dark. Keep roaring.